Okay, this is a video on how to drill through stainless steel. This is 1/4 inch, and I already got a dimple there and a little bit of tap magic for that's where my hole's got to be. You need a good powerful drill. A small battery operated drill isn't going to cut through this, and you need a sharp bit. This is an Oki drill press, and how this works is basically puts pressure on the back of the drill. So anyways, I hold on to this drill and I'm putting pressure on this pipe with my under my armpit. Need a little smoke out of the drill bit. Need to add some more oil to this hole. Don't want to cook this bit or you'll ruin it. Here, I should get through this time. Oops. And that's pretty much it. This bit's nice and cool. That's what you want. If you heat the bit, you'll ruin it. You also want to make sure that you're always cutting material. If you're not cutting material, you're just sitting there destroying the drill bit. So anyways, hope this helps you with trying to drill through stainless steel without destroying drill bits and killing yourself. Thanks for watching the video.